How to make text appear one by one in CapCut Mobile. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a trending lyric video in CapCut Mobile by making text appear one by one. This effect is perfect for lyric videos, intros or creative captions. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your mobile and create a new project. Import your background video or image by clicking import and dragging it to the timeline. To add text, click text in the left hand menu, then select add text. Type in your lyrics or words, then customize the font, size and color to match your style. Now, to make the text appear one by one, split the sentence into separate words or phrases and create a new text layer for each word by copying and pasting the original, then deleting necessary parts until only one remains per layer. Next, align the text layers on the timeline so they appear in sequence. Use the animation feature to add a fade-in or pop-in effect to each word for a smooth transition. If you are syncing the text with music, adjust the timing of each word layer to match the beat or lyrics. Drag the edges of each layer on the timeline to fine-tune their appearance. Once everything is in place, play your video to review how it appears. If you're happy with the result, click export at the top right to save your lyric video. And that's it. Now you know how to make text appear one by one in CapCut Mobile for a trending lyric video effect. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.